Aloha Zri Nation. I hope all of you are doing well and staying healthy. On behalf of the Zri Scientific Advisory Board, I wish all of you a happy spring, and I simply hope that we can spring into action with the relaunch of Zri. Zri is a wellness revolution, and it is bringing a lot of awareness towards positive lifestyle changes and quality food supplements. Zri Amalaki, NutriVeda Achieve, Accel and Purify are these wonderful products which are not only accepted but respected for their therapeutic effect. Today I am very excited to share the new improved version of Accel. We decided to reformulate and recalibrate NutriVeda Accel because we want to make it even more clinically effective and easy to distribute in all the Latin American countries. There is no real major change, but we decided to replace ashwagandha root with Eleuthero root. Eleutherococcus senticosus is a versatile herb, and it's known for its adaptogenic, anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties. The Journal of Psychosomatic Medicine actually came up with the latest research which talks about its benefit for mild to moderate stress-induced fatigue as well as adrenal exhaustion. We have also added a very powerful green tea extract which has an energizing effect. The EGCGs in green tea have a very powerful effect in protecting the cellular DNA from the oxidative stress. And this has all been very well documented and validated by modern research. Brahmi Centella asiatica is an excellent nervine tonic. It is also a versatile adaptogen which is very useful for effective stress management. It also improves the brain function of cognition, retention and recall. Vidanga is a metabolic accelerator. It helps to burn the unwanted fat, and actually it works synergistically with Trikatu, which has great energizing, stress eliminating and fat burning properties. All of these versatile herbs are combined with natural B vitamins, digestive enzymes, organic greens and ionic trace minerals. This subtle nutrition actually helps to improve the physical endurance and improve athletic performance. The newly formulated Accel has a delightful taste and an improved texture for easy mixing with either hot or cold water. We'll be talking about the new formulation in great detail on our next SAB call on April 24th. Please post your questions on Zri's Facebook page. Wishing you all the best for the great relaunch party. Have a blast. Namaste. Thank you.